Oh, hi. Let's make some chicken wings. Okay, so the recipe in the description calls for 4 pounds of chicken wings. This is roughly half of that, so just adjust accordingly. These chicken wings were also whole, and I had to cover them myself. I'm going to save the tips for stock at another time. When you're using the recipe in the description, just know that that is the better recipe than what you're seeing. So here I'm cleaning the chicken. That's what we say in West Indian and black and brown households. Basically, you're trying to get the factory off of the chicken. But more importantly, you're trying to tenderize the chicken. When you are cooking the chicken, the process for cooking the chicken kills just about everything that's on there. But the vinegar or the lime juice or the lemon juice, that actually tenderizes and also adds a little bit of flavor. So I might do a video on cleaning chicken and what that means. Let me know if you want to see that in the comments. So here I salted the chicken and I'm adding some of my green seasoning, description, to this. This green seasoning has a bunch of stuff, allspice and cilantro and parsley and a bunch of stuff in there. So we're gonna let that sit 45 minutes at least, preferably overnight. Then we're gonna wipe off basically with our fingers the excess stuff that's on the chicken wings, get it back into the bowl and separate the chicken so that we can dry it off, because we want the flour that we're going to use to adhere to the chicken, and the drier the chicken is, the more it will adhere. Okay, so so with the paper towel, just dry off the chicken, and we're gonna do the first coating of flour. We got AP, we got cornstarch, and there's nothing else you need to add in here for this first coating. Add the wings to the bag, and then you're gonna shake it like a British nanny. So this is really what you're looking for as far as this first coating. So we're going to make a batter now for the second coating. So in that bowl that you had before, that you had your green seasoning in, you're going to add more flour, more cornstarch, more seasonings to make a seasoned flour. You know, salt, allspice powder, smoked paprika, whatever you got. Check the recipe in the description for something that you guys can use. But the main thing here is you want to add something carbonated, a seltzer water, soda water, whatever you got to create a batter. And once we do that, then we're going to add the once coated wings into the batter, which I haven't shown here, but that's what I did. That's why it looks like this, to the oil. This is 350 degree oil that drops to 280, and at that point you want to maintain it at 280 for the 8 minutes for each batch of wings. Don't overcrowd like I did here, or things will get stuck together like that, but it was still fine. A trick that I have developed, because I don't like to waste stuff, is that excess batter and a little bit more flour to make like a fritter batter consistency will help you with that. It's already seasoned, it's got everything in there that you need already. All you need to do is fry it. So once you're finished with the wings, you'll do this. Right? And you're going to fry that a few minutes until the internal is about 190 degrees. It'll be super crispy, pillowy and doughy on the inside, seasoned really well. You'll enjoy it. So you can use molds, or you can try to be all nice and even with the distribution, or you can do like what I did here and just make a bunch of monstrosities, since you're just trying to really get out of throwing out perfectly good seasoned flour. You hear that? Yep. It's delicious, trust me. Try it. You won't regret it. there you go. Chicken wings. Anybody can do it. Have fun.